Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is the guitar solo, and it'll be played this way. Ooh. Now at the end of the bridge, for the first part of the solo, we're going to play clean, and we'll play this. So for that, we went to fret 14 on the B string, bent way up a whole step, brought it back down, striking it as we do it, like that. So that's. We'll go to the high E string, fret 16 with a whole step bend, come back down to 16, and end on 13. So it's. Ooh! Next, we'll add some amp overdrive, and we'll play this. For that part, we're going to start here at fret 13 on the A string and play. We bent that up and came back down to pitch and then went to fret 11. That was 13. Then we'll go to fret 13 on the G string. Then we'll go to fret 13 on the B string, hit it, and slide it up the neck like this. It's very simple. So again, that's. Then we'll go back to fret 13 on the A string, do it again, but we're going to hit 11 twice, and then hit 11 and slide it down like that. So it's. We'll start it over again, but this time we'll do this. So that was on the high E string 13, the B string 12, and we're doing that. Take it up and stop it. Then we'll go to fret 13 on the G string, fret 11, fret 13 on the D string, 11, 9, and then our riff. So we're going to bend up the D string at fret 11, come back down to pitch, 9, 11. So again, the entire thing. start the entire thing over. Then we'll do a variation on that riff. So we went fret 13 on the high E, fret 11, fret 14. Then we'll go to fret 11 on the B string, bend it up. Then we'll hit that at fret 11 on the high E, so it's like that. Back to fret 11 on the B string, bending. And then we'll go. So that's bending up, bringing it back down to pitch, going to fret 9 on the B string, and then landing on fret 10 of the G string. Like that. Finish with a pull-off on the high E string from fret 13 to 11. And that's going to sound like this in the recording. Well, alright my friends, that's how I play the guitar solo to Easy by the Commodores on electric guitar. If you need to learn the chords to this song, use the link in the description below this video for my Easy guitar chords tutorial. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.